On September 14, 1984, retired USAF Colonel Joseph Kittinger made aviation history by becoming the first person to pilot a gas balloon solo across the Atlantic. Kittinger scored other aviation firsts when he made the then record high-altitude skydive 102,800 feet in 1960, a record that stood until 2012. Kittinger flew 483 combat missions in Vietnam, including being shot down and captured in 1972. Kittinger had also previously set altitude records for balloon flight, and on one of those high-altitude flights became the first human to view the curvature of the Earth fully. Not one to retire early, Kittinger at the age of 84 in 2012 served as a capsule communicator for Felix Baumgartner's record skydive and the Red Bull Stratos project,